Do you struggle with Sphinx Pose? Do you find that you feel it more in your lower back? Do you find that you're struggling to find benefit in this pose because you feel restriction? Today I'm just going to take you through a short exercise to help possibly break down and create more space within the chest to make this pose feel easier. So we're going to come down towards the mat. We're going to find our heels. And here we're going to roll up. So we're going to articulate through our spine. We peel the sacrum off the floor and roll up through the spine to this position. I want to find my heels again, so I'm going to start to create more of an arch. Now, if this is the first time we've done this today, I'm just going to use my hands just to assist. And as I do, I'm pulling my elbows underneath me, and I'm trying to draw my shoulder blades together. The idea is here is I'm lifting my chest up more. Now, once I've found my top position, and we can move into this, I'm then going to take my hands together. I interlock my fingers, and again, I start to open my chest by walking my shoulders back a little further. Here, I'm going to try to push my hands into the mat and squeeze my glutes to lift up my hips a little higher. Now, in this position, I'm going to breathe into my chest. Full inhale, full exhale. As I breathe out, I want to bring some firmness into my core. I breathe in again, keeping the hands interlaced. I'm going to breathe into the top of my chest. The idea is we're expanding this area and we're drawing in and contracting this area. We breathe in, breathe out, contract. Squeeze the glutes, squeeze the core. One more time, breathe in, create space here as we squeeze the palms together. And then finally we release. On the way down, we're going to roll all the way through that spine. Trying to keep each vertebrae on the floor as we roll all the way down to the sacrum. Now to finish here, because we've been doing some heavy work in extension, I'm just going to allow my legs to drop to one side. Allow the spine to relax. And then gently allow my knees over the other way, just to help that spine to relax out. To come up, I keep my knees dropped, come through one side, and come up. If you find this video helpful, you'll find a full rundown of this with various different exercises building into our final pose, our final peak pose, on the list of categories as we start to break down asanas. Thank you very much.